그냥 내려.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the cops don't hit, yeah, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, 'cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not living that day. I need a change in my life, 'cause I don't feel alive, there's nothing that makes me happy. Never smoke, hold my beer for attention, I'm about to cut my drug cash. Wait till you come and sit on one of my zone, and plus it ain't just me, till I feel like I'm gonna go. And this is just the beginning, I need a big change, I feel like living, I need a big swing, it's not what I'm living, I'm never gonna wanna hang it on till I get it all. And make it straight, everything I do is so restricted, every word I move so restricted, like an adjective, I gotta live better, I can't let you go back, being negative, all shit that you have to do. I got back, going back, going tracks to the back, until I feel the gas, I just gotta think I'm all in that, but I don't know what that is, the breaks all the past, and the pettiness, all the flex, and the way I keep it delirious, you ain't know what my tongue, you're delirious, mysterious, people know I know how to make it serious, inferior, you know I'll always be the superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel nice, to change my side, my right to a fight, I stay on the last, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, cause I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous, I might screw everything up that I've ever done, I'll never slow down, no I ain't taking for that, I guess I'm trying this time, I ain't gonna stop, I guess I'll leave this here, I never slow down, no I don't take it, I gotta make it in this life, we're living in reality, don't do what I'm trying, sleeping in the sun, on a goose egg spot, all the night before the end of the night, what you gon' be? And do you believe we can do anything? What you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be? Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, 'cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, 'cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. Yeah, I'm tired of shit.